Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So in our first lecture of network, we are going to discuss about bus topology. So bus topology is the first topology which was used to connect the device on their ways. So in bus topology, all the devices like servers, workstations, laptop, printers and another workstations are connected via one backbone cable. So let's start with the concept of bus topology. So if you are watching the screen on the back side of me, you can see there are 4 PCs connected with one cable which is not known as backbone cable, and that cable connects with the T-type connector according to PCs. Now you can see one PC connect to another PC connected to another PC, and data transfer from one PC to another PC in a single direction. If you notice one thing, all the device orients network along with a single cable running in single direction. Like if my first PC sending data from one PC to another PC, then it is only unidirectional. That's why this topology is also known as line topology, and somewhere it is called as backbone topology. And all the data flow on the networks also follows the route of the cable that is moving in single direction only. So that's why this is known as backbone topology also. If you want to know about the backbone cable, then you can see my screen. Both ends are connected with BNC connector. This is BNC barrel connector. You can see on my screen. This is your BNC barrel connector which is used to connect the cable, and this is T-type connector which is used to connect with the PCs. So when these connectors are assigned with backbone cable, then they are using T-type topology. In this, BNC terminator is used, one cable which is known as ground earth is used. BNC connector is connected directly with NIC card. NIC cards is known as network interface card, which are associated with MAC address. So this T-type connector is connected with the NIC card, and this is used as a BNC terminator. Terminators are assigned with both the end of the cables, and you can see this is T connector, this is end connector, this is A terminator and coupler. Terminators are used to send extra traffic from the cable from the topology. Like for example, you are pinging with 10.0.0.1 to 10.0.0.4. So if 10.0.0.4 is not exist in my network, so this BNC terminator exit all the extra charges, you can say extra load from the topology. So if terminator is not used, then extra traffic will be associated in the bus topology. So we have to discuss one more important point in our lecture, that why bus topology is not used widely nowadays. Because bus topology cannot be used in modern networking because it is not well suited to dealing the large amount of data. In our today's network, we have a lot of PCs, hundreds of PCs, thousands of PCs. So if my topology is not dealing with large amount of data, then it is not suitable for me. And they are used when a small, cheap and temporary network is used in our small network, then we can use the bus topology. And also, if my network is associated with large computers, then heavy network traffics will be there. And if heavy network traffics will be there, then our bus topology network do not coordinate with each other to reserve time to transmit. So it is very difficult to troubleshoot a bus topology, because if my cable is break, then my connector is loose, then my whole topology is going to be affected. So nowadays we are not going to use bus topology. In our next videos, we are going to discuss about which topology is best in today's LAN connection. So happy to learn. Thank you so much.